Hey YouTube, if you love a good lobster tail, continue to watch this recipe. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, this lobster tail recipe is so simple and easy to make. Well, I believe seafood in general is just so simple, but this right here is the one. And the only thing I'm gonna say is, well, I'm not even gonna get into all that right now. Just keep watching. But I am gonna tell y'all step by step how to make these lobster tails. Y'all see, I'm taking my kitchen shears and I'm cutting off the fins of each lobster tail. And I'm cutting each shell straight directly in the middle. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, this part is probably the hardest part about making lobster tails, is getting this damn meat out. I don't know why it is so hard, but I usually take a butter knife and wiggle it on out, wiggle the meat on out, I guess you would say. And as you can see, I am struggling to get it out, but I'm gonna get it on out, trust and believe. And this is what I was trying to tell y'all before. The only thing I would say about lobster tails is getting the meat out is not so damn simple. But other than that, easy. I'm trying new flavor that time to the loft. They call me Diego, I move like a boss. I holler me shake, get a pee off. If the earthquake, these sticky let off. Alright, so now that I've gotten my meat out, I placed it on top of the shell. And it is time to clean the lobster tails. I'm cleaning it with some fresh squeezed lemon juice to get that fishy sea smell. I hate that smell. Just get it out. And while that's cleaning, I'm going to make a garlic butter sauce for my lobster tail. I'm melting some butter. I am going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. I've already chopped up some garlic. I'm going to add in my garlic next. I'm going to let that saute for about 1.5 minutes. And I'm going to season it. And I am going to leave the seasonings that I used for this garlic butter sauce in the description box down below. And while you at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a pescatarian or you love seafood like me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up. And just continue to keep watching. Alright, now that I've got my garlic butter sauce, I'm going to pour it on top of my lobster tails all over. I'm gonna smother it. I'm gonna get up in them creases. I'm gonna get up in there. And then I'm going to sprinkle some paprika just to make it look fancy. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to put it in the oven. I do have my oven on broil, and I'm going to broil them for 5 minutes. Birds of a feather and they all tryna flop.